Almighty Allah, the most merciful, entirely merciful, and specially merciful. Hope that guys, all of you will be fine and stay away from coronavirus. Before starting our new lesson, I have to tell you something that's very important. Just you have to stay away from crowded places and observe the hygiene. This is my notice for you guys. You have to stay at home. Don't go around the city. Just stay at home.
Okay, dear students, now we are going to start our new lesson by the title of Countable Nouns. What is countable nouns? Okay guys, when you look at the name of this grammar, something happened in your mind. How do you feel? Look at the countable nouns. Countable nouns. It means that you're able to count those nouns. You feels like that. It seems like that, guys. Okay, first we have to know the definition. What is the definition of countable nouns? Countable nouns are the names of objects, people, etc. that we can count. Okay, here before we mention that when countable nouns, it means that you are able to count those nouns that they are countable. Okay, look at the example here. Book. This is the noun that we can count it. 1 book, 2 book, 3 books, 4 books, 5 books, 7 books, 8 books, like this. 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens, 4 pens, 5 pens, 6 pens, 7 pens, 8 pens, like this. Apple also like that. Boys, sisters, doctors, horses. These are the nouns that we can count it. There are more examples, but I have written just some of them here, guys. Okay, just you have to write more countable nouns with yourself. You have to practice with yourself to know about countable noun. What is countable noun? What is the definition? You have to memorize the definition. Just you have to make more examples about countable nouns. How can I count? How should I find? Is it countable or isn't it? Got it, guys? Okay, when I see something, just I see some computer, I feel that is it countable? I should think with my own self. Is it countable or isn't? Now we're going to the next slide, guys. Okay, we mentioned countable nouns, but here is non-countable nouns. It's a little bit near to countable noun, but how? Here just one thing before countable nouns, like non-countable nouns. It means that you are not able to count those nouns, that you can't do this because this is non-countable nouns. We can't count them. When you look at them, made something happen in your mind. Before I say that countable nouns, that we are able to count those nouns, but here we can count. Just first we should know the definition. What is non-countable nouns, or we can say uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the names of things which we can count. We are not able to count. That the nature doesn't accept that we can count or these things. Those nouns that we can count it. It means like this. Okay, look at the examples here. Milk, we can't count milk. Give me 1 milk, give me 2 milk, give me 3 milks, give me 4. This is completely totally wrong. You can't use 1, 2, 3. You can use number with them, guys. Keep in mind, don't forget this. We can't use number with them. Do not forget this. Okay, oil. Give me a oil. This is wrong. Give me an oil. This is also wrong. Give me some oil. Give me, when we say some oil, this is right. we can add some measurement words that we can measure this one. Okay, sugar, give me a sugar, give me one sugar, give me two sugar. This is also wrong. Okay, just come to the next gold. We can all say rice, give me one rice, give me two rice. We can say that, give me 2 kilos of rice or 3 kilos of rice, but we can say give me 2 rice, 3 rice, 4 rice, 5 rice. Okay, hope that guys you catch this. Water, give me a water, 2 water, 3 water. This is totally wrong, guys. We can't use or an or numbers with non-countable nouns. Honesty, give me 2 honesty, give me 3 honesty, give me 4 honesty. This is also totally wrong. Okay guys, when you want to know about all these things, you have to practice with yourself at home. Don't forget to work with yourself. This is something gonna be happen with yourself. Just you have to think what is countable noun, what is non-countable or uncountable nouns. You have to practice with yourself. You have to write more examples with yourself. You have to write more sentences with yourself if you want to learn these grammars. Okay guys, welcome back again to your what? Words, to build up words for your daily routine. Now we are going to start by the title of Words for Studying. These are the words that how you're gonna study, how you're gonna use these words for your studying. These words are also very important in your daily routine, in your daily activities for building up your vocabulary or top up your vocabulary. Okay, just first I have to read. I read with myself. After that, you can repeat. You can repeat 3 times or 2 times or more than, or we can say several times. You can repeat. Just the more you repeat, the more you learn, guys. Don't forget this quote. Okay, first of all, I'm going to read. I'm going to pronounce it very carefully. Just you have to listen carefully, guys. I read carefully, but you have to listen carefully. While I'm reading, just don't look for anything. Just you have to look on your screen what I have written on screen. Just I'm going to start by the word of look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Read. 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 Translate. 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 Check. 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 Draw. 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 Discuss. 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 Brainstorm. 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 Help. 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 Answer. 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 Share. 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 Dictate. 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 This is not a circle. This is circle, guys. Don't forget. Don't make mistake here. This is not circle. This is circle. 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 Cross out. Cross out. Cross out. Underline. 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 Clear off. Clear off. Clear off. Unscramble. 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 Babble. 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 Okay guys, it's finished. Now this is your turn to repeat with yourself and write down in your notebooks. Don't forget to make sentences with yourself.
Okay, dear honorable students, hope that you have catch my lessons, and one thing I should tell you, dear honorable student, that read your lessons carefully and try to work with yourself and practice with yourself. If you do not practice with yourself, you can't catch me very